Boo-boos. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Boo-boos. Are you ready? Looks like you're ready. All right. Let's start the old bus up. Let's start the old bus up. See you later, Flying J. Oh, Mr. Boo-boos. Ain't that right? A happy, a super duper bright and happy Tuesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. On my way to drop off meat the Ranger Dog over at Brother James's house. And then head to work and get this most bodacious, groovy Tuesday a-rolling.
Now in the street there is violence, and lots of work to be done. No place to hang out or washing, and then again blame all on the sun. Oh no, we're gonna run down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher.
Happy Tuesday, big giant sign! Well, boo-boos, getting settled in for the evening, aren't we? Alrighty, my friends, getting settled in for the evening. I'm super tired. It's been a very long, productive, busy day here in my neck of the woods. It's good to be back here in the old VW bus hanging with Mr. Ranger Dog. It's my favorite thing in the whole wide world to do is to be with this puppy dog and in this old VW bus. Until I see you wonderful people in the morning for kind coffee talk. Just a little thing I do. Be kind to one another. Love one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day. Because you never know. Peace. Love. And Volkswagen grease.